Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to talk about how the way you breathe can actually affect how obvious your Pectus Excavatum is. Okay, and so something that I noticed when I was younger is I would breathe through my chest a lot, and as a result, it made my indent and rib flare look both worse. And so just look at this, when I breathe through my chest. So as you can see, when you're breathing in your chest, and it's kind of like short, rapid breaths in the chest, it makes when you inhale, the indent appear more deep and it makes the ribs poke out more, okay? And so it makes the pectus look worse. Now, what you want to start thinking about is kind of more nose breathing into your belly, okay? Diaphragm breathing. Slower, more controlled breaths into the belly. And what this enables you to do is you are able to keep like better tension on your core and keep your ribs down. And it's like one of the effects of breathing into your belly that I find. And so when I started switching my breathing into this, I was able to hold like a slight bit of flexion in my abs. And this just resulted in my ribs being so much less noticeable. And it became comfortable, and it just enabled me to hold better posture, feel better, and make my pectus look acutely and like instantly better. And so it's a really handy tip if you're going to the beach or anything like that, to breathe more into your belly, into your diaphragm. Kind of hold the exhale for a bit and just slow it down. And the more you do it, the more it'll become second nature, and it'll help. It'll help acutely make your pectus excavatum look better. Now that being said, this is definitely not the only thing I recommend. It's just a little pro tip to help you guys acutely make your pectus look better. And it's actually better for your health to be breathing into your diaphragm rather than like chest breathing, okay? And it is better to be breathing through your nose than your mouth. There's lots of stuff on that. And so obviously with my content, I want to help you visually be more confident in your body, make your body look better. So anyway, this is just a really quick, handy tip that you can start implementing that will instantly make your pectus look better, and will have health benefits when you start breathing through your nose and breathing into your diaphragm. So thanks guys, I hope you like this video. Obviously you want to start building muscle though to make your condition look even better. So I would recommend checking out my other videos on those topics and start building muscle tailored with a program tailored towards your pectus. If you are interested in coaching, I've got spots available leading into 2024. It's the perfect time to sign up. I've got awesome deals available right now. So link is in the description, fixpectus.com. You can book a call with me. I can get you signed up on one of my year package deals if you're interested. Then you get my coaching for half price. And so going into a new year, it's great to set a new challenge. And yeah, you can commit yourself to a year's worth of my coaching. That's what most of my client results are from. And you get my coaching for half price. Anyway, thanks guys. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you in the next one.